Hi guys, so I have a surprise for Sophia. We are gonna make homemade chocolates. So I'm gonna grab her, and I got some marshmallows, and I've got some pretzel pieces, and we're gonna make our own chocolates. You guys ready?
Welcome to Learning League.
Are you ready to make some homemade chocolates?
Oh.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna put some.
Okay, so what I thought would be fun was if we do 2 pretzel, 2 marshmallow, and 2 regular. Okay?
Regular?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna eat all the marshmallows.
I bet you will. You can snack on a couple. But I want you to put marshmallows in these 2. So put some marshmallows. Nope, in these 2. Just cover the bottom. Do a couple more. All right, that's good for that one. And then this one.
Yum, yum, yum.
Okay.
Yum. Yum, yum.
That's good. Okay. All right, now Mommy's gonna pour the chocolate in. You ready? Because this is super, 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 super hot. This is the chocolate we have. Okay, watch Mommy. Pour it over the marshmallows. So this is gonna harden, and they're gonna make chocolates. Okay?
It smells like chocolate.
I know, it smells like chocolates.
Mommy, what is that?
That's the chocolate that we have.
Oh.
It's the chocolate that we melted to make this. Might have to melt some more chocolate. I don't know if it's gonna cover all of our stuff.
Mommy?
Okay, I'm gonna melt some more chocolate.